In this guide, I'm going to show you how to buy GTA 6 on PS5 tutorial for beginners. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, go to the PlayStation Store from your console's home screen right here, and GTA 6 may already be on this little main page right here. You can go ahead and select it if it is here for you, or just go up to the very top and you can go ahead and search for it as well. So go ahead and scroll across here and it should also pop up in here as well. It's probably going to pop up everywhere for quite some time, but essentially go ahead and select it once you search for it or you just find it on the home screen. And from here, what you can go ahead and do is get either the Ultimate Edition, $59.99, or what you can also do is select these three little dots and select the Standard Edition to get the Standard Edition. Now, I would compare both versions because the Ultimate Edition does include some extra content, so choose for whatever it is that you want. And if you ever do get the Standard Edition and want to upgrade, you are able to do that as well. You're not locked into just the Standard Edition, but go ahead and purchase it. And once you purchase it, you're going to have pre-ordered it, and you can go to your downloads and make sure it starts downloading. Now, you are going to need enough space and you are going to have to wait until the pre-download is available, and that'll come out closer to when the game releases, most likely in the beginning of November or the start of October. It's very exciting. I cannot wait to play this game. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.